Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I just gave my bathroom a major upgrade with this gorgeous medicine cabinet mirror. I am really loving this medicine cabinet that we just installed in my bathroom. Everything was so well packaged. I was really impressed. The packaging was very secure, so you don't have to worry about the mirror coming to you damaged or broken. It really is packaged so well and sturdy. And I love all of the features about this mirror. It was so easy to install. They give you everything you need in the package, and it has a few different options where you can either mount it to be left hand open or right hand open. I chose to keep all of the shelves exactly where they were on the inside, but it is customizable if you wanted to remove some of these shelves. It is very easy to do, and I think it just adds such a gorgeous touch. It is a 26-inch round mirror and it looks gorgeous. It really has just elevated our bathroom space. I love how nice the mirror is and how smoothly this opens. It has a great magnetic closure. I am so impressed with this mirror. I think it is absolutely perfect, and I think it is extremely high quality. I could not be more happy with this mirror. This is the perfect mirror to add to your bathroom. It is beautiful, has amazing storage, and I think it is top quality. And that's my point of view.